Hi, my name is Philip, and today I will show you the advantages of Solarplexius, solar protection for your car. Solarplexius gives your car a nice even temperature, along with tinted windows that you can replace whenever you want, and they will last you a lifetime. Come on, hop down. Okay, let's have a little closer look at these fine cars fitted with Solarplexius. Let's start by showing you how the windows look from the inside to the outside. Oh, what's this? Bubbles. Oh yeah, that's the production company reminding me that with Solarplexius you will never get any bubbles on your windows, which can happen when applying film. Let's go to the next car. Gloves. As you can see, this window does not have any sun protection yet. So let's install it and I'll show you how easy it is. First of all, make sure that you have the right panel for the right window. Each panel is made to fit exactly for your car model. And also make sure it's not upside down. Okay. Secondly, remove the protective film. Oh, it's lovely. Alright, and now drop it into the trim around the window. And don't be afraid to bend it, because it will not break. There. Now all you got to do is to put a few support clips in and you're done. Ever had your car broken into? Well, before, I've had my gear stolen, but Solarplexius darkens your windows by 90%, so it's really difficult for the thief to see inside. Of course, you shouldn't leave your valuables inside anyways, but if you're anything like me, then, well, sometimes I forget. Did you know that Solarplexius started for some 30 years ago because the founder wanted to protect his dog against the heat while traveling? Just like many of our hundreds of thousands of customers around the world. Isn't that right here? Come here, boy. Yes. Go on, hop in. Well, there you have it. Solarplexius is easy to install, keeps your vehicle protected from burglars, but most of all, Solarplexius reduces the temperature for you and your fellow passengers. Drive safe.